What's up, you guys? Welcome back to our channel. I'm a D.
And I'm Matt.
We are so excited to go to the Keys. A D has never been. I've been one time and it was just to Key Largo, which is the first island, and I was maybe 15 years old. I don't remember it very well. We're gonna go there today and we're gonna see all the Keys, not just Key Largo. We're gonna make our way all the way down to Key West.
If you live in Florida and you don't get pub subs, you're doing it wrong. We're about to go over that bridge there. The decor in here is super cute too.
I didn't even know that it had a kitchen, and it's way bigger than we thought. Right on the water if you look out the window.
Cute shower. Overall, I feel like this is so nice. Much bigger than I was thinking, and with the full kitchen, definitely better than I expected. It's just like bright and yellow. I love it. And the patio is so nice. There's Matt recording too. Oh yeah, look up there. That's stunning. We're cracking open at high noon, and we're checking out the resort. Cheers. What flavor are you trying?
Lemon.
I'm trying raspberry. It looks so good and it smells so good. We love you, Dave Portnoy. This pretty shell, and then I realized that all these are baby hermit crabs. There's millions of them. This is a mini baby shell of a horseshoe crab. That's so cool. After we did a little research, we found Sombrero Reef is super close to us, and we're gonna go check it out. It's about 10 miles down the road, like an 18-minute drive. How are you feeling?
Awesome.
What do you think of the Keys so far?
Absolutely stunning.
And the sun's setting right behind me. It's so beautiful. We just came back from the most amazing sunset, and now we're heading off to our dinner reservation for Valentine's Day. I'm so excited to give it a try. It's called Salt and Ash. It's right up the road in Marathon, so I'm excited to check it out. I just woke up. It's a little after 8, and we're gonna go check out the breakfast that they have at the resort here. We're staying at Rainbow Bend, and so far it has been so great. It's beautiful. The only complaint I have is that we weren't up sooner to go check out this resort a little bit more. But I'm excited to get out there. We're gonna go get their morning breakfast that they include at the resort, and then we're heading to Key West today, and we're gonna do a whole key hopping adventure. We're on Marathon right now, so we're just gonna keep going south and see if we can find some awesome places to snorkel and just jump in. I'm so excited. Let's go. The view of our breakfast this morning. This view is so special. Almost forgot to show you guys breakfast. We're about halfway done, but I wanted to make sure I shared it with you. We just stopped at Big Pine Village, and it is such a cool looking store. It has conch shells and so much decor for like the beach, so let's check it out. We love mahis. Oh, I love that one. We're at the Key West City Marina, the historic area, and we're gonna check it out a little bit. It's starting to drizzle a tiny bit, but we're gonna walk around a little and check out the area. What's the street called? We're gonna head over to Duval Street and walk around that area and see what we can find. We finally found parking and we made it to our first stop on Key West, and it's a boat dock called the Pier House, and it's so beautiful.
Let's get our bathing suits, walk up and jump in.
Hell yeah, I love that idea.
Wow, look at the boats out there.
It's so beautiful. I'm trying to show it. It doesn't even capture like half the beauty. We just headed back to the car to change and put on our bathing suits, and now we're going back to that same spot and hopefully getting in the water. It's a little cold, but it feels really nice. We're gonna go on the scooters to check out another spot in the Keys. We were just scootering and Matt said, I really want to find this Cuban coffee, and then we looked to our right and the Cuban coffee stand is right here, one of many, and so of course we had to stop. One of Matt's friends who stayed with us a couple of weeks ago really highly recommended it, and so we decided to see what it tastes like. Cheers!
Cheers, buddy. Very hot, very good.
There you have it, folks. Very hot, very good. Why the chicken cross the road? It's a classic. Alright, give it a try. It's very rich. Oh yeah. Do you think it's gonna work? No.
Made it to the most southern point, so I think it's time to turn around and head back towards Marathon.
Congratulations. Wow. Teeth are crazy. Thanks. Look what we found. I just got up. I'm trying to catch sunrise, but I might have just missed it by the teeniest bit. Mr. Moon, still out.
last day. We're about to go have breakfast and then we're gonna hike out of the room and fish on the way home.
We're probably gonna sit right there again. We're about to check out a Rainbow Bend Resort in Marathon, Florida, and it was such a great stay.
It was super private, but then their open space is really good. They've got here as well. Hot tub. It was amazing.
And it's right on the water, like Matt said. They offered breakfast included with the room. It was just so fun. It was a great trip. Now we're on our way. We're gonna try and fish a little bit and see what we catch. And unfortunately, it's upset by my grandmother passed away while I was on. Really upsetting, but we're just trying to make the best of the last day, and then my dad is much too. I'm just reminded time and time again that life is so precious, and just to spend time with your loved ones and appreciate every moment you have. So I just wanted to mention that before we go inside and check it out. When we were researching where to fish in the Keys, we stumbled upon the 7 Mile Bridge, so we're here now, giving it a go. We haven't caught anything yet, but it is absolutely stunning here, and the sun is so strong, so it's just a great way to spend your day. We're using some frozen shrimp as bait. We stopped on the side of the road really quickly on our way to snorkeling and found this taco joint. So we got 2 tacos each already, but they were so good. We got 2 more. And then we're gonna check out this coffee stand before we hit the road. But it's just like a little market, it's super cute. Great find on our way. Just ordered a number 6 smoothie with honey and milk. They have smoothies, they have food and coffee. It looks family run and it is so cute. And then the market's right over there with the taco truck right there. We highly recommend if you are driving from Fort Lauderdale area to the Keys or to the Keys back that you check this place out because it's so authentic and so good. We love supporting local, right?
Absolutely.
The kind woman at the cash register just brought over our smoothie and it is so big. For reference, this is our 2 shots of espresso. I'm so excited to try. We just ordered another cortadito because it was so good. Taste test. That is so good. It's honeydew, cantaloupe, blueberries, pineapple, strawberries, kiwi, and mango. So good. Thank you.
Very good.
Very good. Thank you so much. Their Instagram handle is at YAHUALES_RED_tacos. In case you're looking for this place. Very cool. We started snorkeling a little bit, but the bottom is just all seagrass and it's really dark and it's hard to see. So I don't know if I'm trying to go all the way onto the deck. It was a little bit too cloudy to film more underwater, but we had such a good time swimming and we're going to go back and sit down by our chairs and just soak in the last few minutes that we have on Key Largo before we head off back towards Homestead and back towards home. Matt came out with me because he loves me and I really wanted to see what was out here, but it looks like absolutely nothing still. I hooked a mutton snapper right here. Woo!